Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
A Humax box that will not turn on is a common and frustrating problem for many viewers. There are several simple reasons why your device might be acting up today. First, check the power cord at both ends. Ensure it is plugged firmly into the wall and the back of the box. Try a different outlet to rule out a blown fuse in your home. Next, look at your remote control. Dead batteries are a very frequent cause of this issue. Replace them with fresh ones and try again. Make sure nothing is blocking the sensor on the front of the device. You should also try a hard reset of the hardware. Unplug the power cord from the wall and wait for 1 full minute. Plug it back in and see if it boots up. This often clears minor software glitches. Check if the box feels very hot to the touch. Overheating can cause the system to shut down automatically. Give it plenty of space for airflow and do not stack other electronics on top of it. Examine your HDMI cable as well. A loose connection might make the screen stay black even if the box is actually on. Switch to a different HDMI port on your television. Finally, try pressing the physical power button on the front of the unit itself. If the box turns on this way, you know the remote is definitely the problem. If no lights appear after all these steps, the power adapter may be dead. You might need a replacement part to fix the internal hardware issues that are stopping the power flow.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.